Hello kids! Welcome once more to a new video. Today we are going to have a look at the physical quantity volume. Let's first define volume. We define volume as the amount of space an object occupies, and its SI unit is the meter cube. Some other units that are commonly used are the millimeter cube, the liter, the centimeter cube, and the milliliter. Let's recall that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters, and 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cube. Let's try this simple exercise. According to you, which is larger? 1 liter or 1500 milliliters? Yes, you're right. 1500 milliliters. Now, which is larger? 200 milliliters or 1.2 liters? Of course, 1.2 liters is the right answer. We are now going to see how we measure the volume of liquids and solids. Appreciate the fact that solids are subdivided into regular solids and irregular solids. In this slide, we will calculate the volume of a regular solid, a cuboid as shown. Simple measurements of length, width, and height are done using a meter rule. The volume is obtained by multiplying the length, the height, and the width. Let's tackle some exercises. In the first diagram, we have a cuboid of length 10 meters, width 5 meters, and height 7 meters. Let's calculate its volume. Do you get 350 meter cube? Good. Now we're going to proceed with some more questions of this type. Did you get 60 meter cube for this one? Good. Let's try another one. Did you get 180 meter cube? Good. Let's proceed then. What are the instruments we usually use to measure volume of liquids? The first one is the graduated beaker. Graduated beakers are usually made of either glass or plastic. The next apparatus is the conical flask. Its shape, as you see, is good for swirling to mix solutions. The most common apparatus for measuring volume is the graduated measuring cylinder. It can measure any volume within the capacity of the cylinder. The glass pipette delivers an exact volume. Most common pipettes are of volume 10 milliliters, 20 milliliters, and 25 milliliters. The burette delivers a fixed volume of a liquid by opening the tap. We will now show you how we should take a reading on a measuring cylinder. First of all, our eyes should be placed directly perpendicular to the scale of the measuring cylinder. Secondly, our line of sight should be at the bottom of the meniscus, as shown in our diagram. Let's practice how to read a measuring cylinder. What is the reading shown? Did you get 18.0 milliliters? Don't forget that our eyes must be placed at the bottom of the meniscus. Let's try another one. What is the reading? Yes, 47.0 milliliters. Let's carry out a last one. Yes, 37.5 milliliters. You've got it right. Let us now see how we measure the volume of an irregular solid. First of all, our measuring cylinder with a certain amount of water is placed on a flat horizontal surface and its volume recorded. Here it is 180 centimeter cube. Our irregular solid, here a stone, is fully immersed in our measuring cylinder. Our new volume is 240 centimeter cube. Therefore, the volume of our stone is 240 minus 180, which gives us 60 centimeter cube. Sometimes our irregular solid does not fit in the measuring cylinder. We then use a displacement can. Our displacement can is filled till it overflows. Our stone is then gently lowered in it. The volume which overflows is collected in a measuring cylinder. The volume of water recorded corresponds to the volume of the stone. Things that we need to remember from this video: the definition of volume, the SI unit of volume, the instruments used to measure volume, and finally, the different methods of measuring volume. Hope you've enjoyed this video, friends. See you next time for more fun.